છે કે જ્યારે આપણે એક ત્રિભેટે નહીં તો ચાર રસ્તે પણ એક કેરિયરના ચાર રસ્તે આપણે ભેગા થયા છે. પણ જ્યારે પણ આવો કોઈ સારો પ્રસંગ હોય ત્યારે એની શરૂઆત આપણી પરંપરા પ્રમાણે ભગવાનની સ્તુતિથી કરીએ છીએ. સો આઈ એમ ઇન્વાઇટિંગ હંસરાજ ઠુમર ફોર અ શોર્ટ પ્રેયર.
An executive member and joint secretary of BVM Alumni Association, heartily welcome you all, especially the BVMites of 1991 batch. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, present and past members of BVMites of 1991 and their family members, executive members of BVM Alumni Association, live members of BVM Alumni Association, and invited guests. It gives me immense pleasure to be with you on this unique occasion of first reunion of 1991 batch and sharing the joy of celebration of their Silver Jubilee year of graduation. Friends, you have lived a very precious and golden period of your life in this beautiful campus at a very prestigious institute with your very dear friends and affectionate and caring teachers. You have learned not only engineering but also learned the lessons of your life. At times, you might have cried in sorrows, laughed with your friends, fought with your classmates, hated so many things which happened with you, and still you loved every single moment your presence over here. Then a day came when you left your alma mater BVM with a very heavy heart, departed from your dear friends and started your journey of life. You worked hard for years and excelled in your respective field of work. During these years of you have achieved so many things by your hard work and blessings of God. Now, you have a nice family, good job or a good business, a good name and fame in the family and the society. But all these years, one thing might have always impacted on your mind, and that is your college days and college friends. I'm sure at times you would have remembered many of them and wondered as where they might be or what they might be doing if you were not in contact with them for years. Many times, a strong feeling of being with them and sharing and cherishing those golden moments of old college days might have intensely made you uncomfortable. Friends, such of these feelings have brought you all here today at your beloved alma mater to live those happy moments together once again. You do not have to mention anything. Even if you try, you will fall short of words to express your feelings. Yes, we know. You want to share it with your friends, with your teachers, and with all those who made you comfortable at BVM. So let us make it a memorable day of life by sharing joy of every moment of being together. Friends, let me inform you in brief about Vallavidyanagar, our BVM, and our BVM Alumni Association. By the inspiration of blessings of late Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Vallavidyanagar was planned and established by Sri Bhai Kaka and Sri Bhika Kaka. It was nurtured by Dr. H.M. Patel and now by Dr. C.L. Patel. Charutri Vidya Mandal, under the able leadership of Dr. C.L. Patel, is now imparting knowledge in every discipline of education. Vallavidyanagar has earned a name and fame all over the world in the field of education. Our BVM was inaugurated by Lord Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of British India and the first Governor General of independent India. Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel himself was the first chairman of the Board of Management, and then Sri Morarji Desai, Sri G.V. Maulankar, Dr. H.M. Patel, and now Dr. C.L. Patel. Thus, BVM has a very strong heritage. Initially, starting with 3 branches, we are now running 8 branches. BVM Alumni Association was established in the year 1962 with an aim and objective to help BVM students in their upliftment by way of providing facilities and financial help. Out of total 18,000 graduates till date, we are now the largest and the strongest alumni association by a life membership of around 8,500. We give scholarships, financial support to poor and needy students. We give merit prizes, gold medals to rankers. We support placement activities. We invite technical experts to interact with the students. We provide infrastructural facilities to the students. We promote short-term courses, technical lectures, seminars, symposium. We finance project activities and model making for the students. Under the presidency of Dr. C.L. Patel, BVM is now generating an endowment fund of rupees 20 crores to help BVM. BVM Alumni Association is always backed by its past students wholeheartedly. Friends, now I would like to introduce to you the dignitaries on the dais. The president of the function, Dr. F.A. Sumrigar sir, is the principal of our BVM college since April 2002. He has done his bachelor's at SVNIT Surat, master's at IIT Kanpur, and PhD at University of Roorkee. He has a number of research papers and publications at his credit. By virtue of the position, he is also chairman of BVM Alumni Association. I welcome you, sir. Professor K.M. Dholakia was the principal of BVM from December 1984 to December 1992. He did his bachelor's from LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad, and master's from MS University, Vadodara. He joined BITS Pilani in the year 1961 and rose to the position of professor, head of the department.